Hi viewers, today we're diving into the wonderful world of trees. Let's get started. Oak. An oak is a hardwood tree with lobed leaves and acorns, symbolizing strength worldwide. Oak. Maple. A maple is a tree with palmate leaves and sweet sap, often associated with autumn worldwide. Maple. Pine. A pine is a coniferous tree with needle-like leaves and cones, common in forests worldwide. Pine. Willow. A willow is a tree with slender branches and drooping leaves, often found near water. Willow. Birch. A birch is a tree with smooth white bark and small triangular leaves, symbolizing purity. Birch. Cedar. A cedar is a coniferous tree with scale-like leaves, valued for its durable, aromatic wood. Cedar. Fir. A fir is a coniferous tree with soft needles and upright cones, symbolizing resilience worldwide. Fir. Redwood. A redwood is a massive tree with reddish bark, among the tallest species worldwide. Redwood. Sequoia. A sequoia is a giant tree with thick bark, symbolizing longevity and grandeur worldwide. Sequoia. Palm. A palm is a tropical tree with a tall trunk and fan-like leaves, symbolizing paradise. Palm. Ash. An ash is a hardwood tree with compound leaves and winged seeds, symbolizing protection. Ash. Elm. An elm is a tree with serrated leaves, known for its vase-like shape and shade. Elm. Sycamore. A sycamore is a large tree with mottled bark and broad leaves symbolizing strength. Sycamore. Poplar. A poplar is a fast-growing tree with heart-shaped leaves, symbolizing adaptability. Poplar. Cherry. A cherry is a tree with blossoms and small fruits, symbolizing beauty and renewal. Cherry. Apple. An apple is a tree with sweet round fruits, often symbolizing knowledge and temptation. Apple. Baobab. A baobab is a massive tree with a swollen trunk, often called the tree of life. Baobab. Banyan. A banyan is a fig tree with aerial roots forming trunks, symbolizing eternity. Anyan. Chestnut. A chestnut is a tree producing edible nuts within spiny husks, symbolizing abundance. Chestnut. Dogwood. A dogwood is a tree with clusters of flowers and berries, symbolizing rebirth. Dogwood. Ebony. An ebony is a tropical tree with dense, dark wood, symbolizing strength. Ebony. Fig. A fig is a tree with broad leaves and sweet fruits, symbolizing abundance and wisdom. Fig. Juniper. A juniper is a coniferous tree with needle-like leaves and berry-like cones, symbolizing protection. Juniper. Lemon. A lemon is a citrus tree producing yellow, acidic fruits, symbolizing freshness. Lemon. Mango. A mango is a tropical tree with sweet, juicy fruits, symbolizing prosperity worldwide. Mango. Olive. An olive is a Mediterranean tree with small fruits, symbolizing peace and endurance. Olive. Pear. A pear is a tree with smooth, juicy fruits, symbolizing nourishment and health. Pear. Plum. A plum is a tree with sweet, fleshy fruits containing a pit, symbolizing longevity. Plum. Walnut. A walnut is a tree producing edible nuts in hard shells, symbolizing intelligence and strength. Walnut. Almond. An almond is a tree with seeds eaten as nuts and delicate blossoms, symbolizing good fortune. Almond. Teak. A teak is a tropical tree known for its durable hardwood, symbolizing resilience. Teak. Eucalyptus. A eucalyptus is a tree with aromatic leaves, known for its fast growth and adaptability. Eucalyptus. Acacia. An acacia is a tree or shrub with thorny branches and yellow flowers, symbolizing renewal. Acacia. Beech. A beech is a tree with smooth gray bark and serrated leaves, symbolizing tolerance. Beech. Cottonwood. A cottonwood is a fast-growing tree with fluffy seeds, symbolizing resilience. Cottonwood. Cypress. A cypress is a coniferous tree with scale-like leaves, symbolizing morning and eternity. Cypress. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a tree with small red berries and thorny branches, symbolizing protection. Hawthorn. Rowan. A rowan is a tree with clusters of red berries, symbolizing protection and magic. Rowan. Tamarind. A tamarind is a tropical tree producing pods with tangy pulp, symbolizing versatility. Tamarind. Yew. A yew is a slow-growing tree with needle-like leaves, symbolizing immortality and rebirth. Yew. Bamboo. A bamboo is a fast-growing grass with woody stems, symbolizing strength and flexibility. Bamboo. Ginkgo. A ginkgo is an ancient tree with fan-shaped leaves, symbolizing endurance and hope. Ginkgo. Alder. An alder is a water-loving tree with catkins, symbolizing protection and resilience. Alder. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.